Assalamu alaikum. Human beings are known as crown of creations due to their intelligence. All human beings are dependent on a muscular bag present inside their body. Without normal functioning of this muscular bag, human beings cannot live. I am talking about human heart. From our birth to death, human heart cannot stop and work until our death. Heart pumps oxygen and nutrient-rich blood to our body during the whole life. The size of our heart is only of one fist. But do you know that how such a tiny sized heart can pump blood to all of our body? How our heart looks like and what is the function of our heart in our body? In this video we will talk about human heart and you will probably get the answer of these questions. This is our heart. It is located between our lungs. Heart is bent towards our left lung. Our heart is protected by a double membranous structure called as pericardium. Now let's talk about the structures present inside the heart, due to which our heart continuously beats. Our heart is divided into left and right side through a valve. This valve is called as cardiac septum. Heart's right side contains deoxygenated blood, while left side contains oxygenated blood. Cardiac septum opposes the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Each side of our heart is further divided into two chambers. These are upper chambers present at the top, and these are lower chambers present at the bottom. Upper chambers are called as atrium and the lower chambers are called as ventricles. Total chambers of our heart are 4. These are the main parts of our heart. For the circulation of blood towards or away from our heart, there are narrow tubes in our body. These are called as blood vessels. We also know that the vessels that bring blood towards our heart are called as veins, and the vessels that takes blood away from our heart are called as arteries. This pipe, called as superior vena cava, is responsible for collecting blood from the upper part of our body, such as brain, shoulders and neck, etc. This pipe, called as inferior vena cava, is responsible for collecting blood from the lower part of our body, such as abdomen and legs. Blood coming from the inferior and superior vena cava is received into the right atrium of the heart. Point to remember is that this blood is deoxygenated. Deoxygenated blood is usually represented by blue color. There are 4 valves in our heart: tricuspid valve, pulmonary valve, mitral valve and aortic valve. These valves prevent the backflow of our blood. When the right ventricle relaxes and the right atrium contracts, deoxygenated blood from right atrium moves toward the right ventricle. Deoxygenated blood is pumped from the right ventricles to the lungs through pulmonary arteries. This happens on the contraction of right ventricle. In our lungs, oxygenation of blood occurs and blood becomes oxygenated. Oxygenated blood moves towards the left atrium. When left ventricle contracts, the oxygen-rich blood then flows from the left atrium to left ventricle. The blood is then pumped through the main artery that supplies blood to the body, called as aorta. If we will talk about the valves of our heart, the tricuspid valve is present between the right atrium and the right ventricle. Pulmonary valve is present between the right ventricle and the pulmonary artery. Bicuspid or mitral valve is located between the right ventricle and the left ventricle. And the aortic valve is located between the left ventricle and aorta. When these valves are opened, the blood moves from the one part of our heart to the other. So hope so you have learned that how our heart works. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.